Good morning students, how are you? I think all are fine. In the previous video, we have completed our sum exercise of lesson 1. Today we are going to complete our other exercises. Today we are going to complete exercise 2. Circle the common names and underline the exact name in the short story given below. I think all of you know common name or exact name. Common name are the names of people, animals, places and things in general. But exact names are the special names given to people, animals, places and things. An exact name begins with a capital letter. Yesterday I taught you, just for example, girl, common name, Ankita, exact name or special name, boy, common, Imran, special name, elephant, common, Jumbo is the name of elephant, so it is special name or exact name. Dog, common, Guppy, special name. Building. Building means there may be any building, but Taj Mahal is the name of a special building. Planet, common name, Earth, exact name or special name. City, common, Mumbai, special. Now we are going to do this exercise. Now it is clear what is common name or exact name. There is a short story, getting ready for school. First, circle the common name or underline the exact name. Every morning I wake up, brush my teeth and take a bath. In this line, morning is common, brush is common, teeth common, I get dressed and go downstairs to eat breakfast. In this line, breakfast is common. My pet Momo waits for me at the dining table. Pet is common. There may be any pet, but Momo is the name of puppy. Sorry. sorry, it is the name of puppy, so it is special name. So underline it. Waits for me at the dining table. Dining table is common, so circle it. I like to eat porridge for breakfast. Porridge is common. Breakfast is also common. Porridge makes me strong. Porridge is common. Make me strong. Now, other line. Rimi, my sister, is younger to me. Rimi is the name of a girl, so it is a special name. My sister. Sister is common noun. Now come to next line. She loves to eat porridge too. Porridge is common. After I finish my breakfast, in this line, breakfast is common. I packed my bag just in time for Mr. Borrit, our bus driver, to take us to school. Bag. Bag is common. Mr. Borrit is the name of a person, so exact name or special name. Bus. Bus, common name. Driver is also common name. Or school. School show us some place or some building. So it is common. Now come to next exercise. Say it right. Read this sentence. Aisha likes to watch the TV show The Little Monkey. Notice the sound of the letter I in like. Sometimes when there is a silent E, there is a silent E. Silent E. At the end of a word, the vowel I takes the sound of the word I. There is no I. There is no I. E is used, but the sound is I. E is silent here. Now, one. Listen to these words and repeat them after your teacher. So, repeat with me. K-I-T-E. Kite. K-I-T-E. Kite. E is silent. W-H-I-T. White. N-I-N-E. Nine. R-I-P-E. Right. F-I-L-E. File. L-I-N-E. Link. C-H-I-N-E. Chime. L-I-N-E. Line. L-I-N-E. Line. C-H-I-M-E. Chime. S-M-I-L-E. Smile. Kite. White. Nine. Right. File. Limb. Chime. Smile. Exercise 2. The word kite rhymes with the word white. Can you think of a word that rhymes with each of the words below? L-I-N-E. Line rhyme is? Guess now. Line. And I and E. Nine. Mile. File. F I L E. Bite. Rhyme with kite. K I T E. Five. Rhyme with right. R I P E. Right. R-I-P-E. Let us do. Paste photographs of your family members on the family tree below. Write their names below the photograph. There is a tree. Paste your family members' photo here and write their names. This is your homework. Do this homework in your book.